Athens, an ancient city where history meets modern energy. From the awe-inspiring Acropolis to hidden tavernas serving the best souvlaki, this city is a dream destination. But what are the absolute must-see places and top experiences you shouldn't miss? Stick around as we uncover the best things to do in Athens and the most booked experiences in Greece. Check the links in the description below the video for guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Let's start with the heart of Athens, the Acropolis. No visit is complete without seeing the Parthenon, one of the most iconic ruins in the world. Get there early to beat the crowds and soak in the panoramic views of the city. Pro tip: book a skip-the-line guided tour to make the most of your visit and hear the fascinating stories behind these ancient structures. Athens isn't just about ancient history. It's a living, breathing city full of incredible experiences. Here are some of the most booked and highly rated things to do in Athens. Cape Sounion and the Temple of Poseidon. Just a short drive from Athens, this spot offers one of the best sunset views in Greece. Athens Food Tour. Taste traditional Greek dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, and loukoumades, Greek donuts, while exploring hidden food markets. The National Archaeological Museum, home to some of the most important Greek artifacts, a paradise for history lovers. Athens Riviera and Sunset Catamaran Cruise Experience. Athens from the sea, sailing along the coastline with a glass of Greek wine in hand. Check the links in the description below for the best guided tours, top attractions, and exciting things to see and do. Beyond the famous landmarks, Athens hides some unique and lesser-known treasures. If you want a different side of the city, check these out. Anafiotika, a tiny village right below the Acropolis that looks like it belongs on a Greek island. Whitewashed houses, blue doors, and a tranquil vibe make it a photographer's dream. Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center, a modern masterpiece featuring a beautiful park, a canal, and cultural exhibitions. Mount Lycabettus. For the best panoramic view of Athens, hike or take a cable car to the top, especially stunning at sunset. Varvakios Market, the central food market of Athens where you can see, smell, and taste authentic Greek produce. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best guided tours. While Athens is a must-visit, Greece is filled with breathtaking places you shouldn't miss. Here are some of the best day trips and island getaways from Athens. Delphi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, once home to the Oracle of Apollo, perfect for history lovers. Meteora monasteries perched on towering rock formations, a surreal and spiritual experience. Santorini and Mykonos, iconic Greek islands known for stunning sunsets, whitewashed houses, and vibrant nightlife. Hydra, Poros, and Aegina day cruise. A perfect way to explore 3 Greek islands in one day. And don't forget to check the links in the description below the video for the best guided tours, attractions, and exciting things to see and do in Athens. Athens is a city of contrasts, ancient yet modern, historic yet alive. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a beach lover, there's something for everyone here. Which of these spots are you adding to your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in Greece.